Hello everyone, this video is about creating portfolio entries on the Stamp WordPress theme. So from your WordPress admin, click on Portfolios and Add New and give it a title. And you can select the skill here from the right side, and you can also activate the Visual Composer if you need to add anything else than text, or even if it's just text. I always use it. So I'm going to paste here the portfolio entry, some text that I have here, and I'm going to set up a featured image. Okay, before we analyze the options that are available for the portfolio entry, let's publish and let's see how this looks at this moment. And so here's our portfolio entry with our image, with the text, with the skill, and with all the information that was expected. You can also see here the comment section on the theme documentation. You can see how to turn this off. So let's analyze the options panel here. So we have 4 types of layout. In this case, we are using the default option, which is the full width. We can also select here the splitted layout, and let's see how it looks. So before we had this entry, and now we have this type of layout. And there's also the boxed, which is just like the full width, but instead of the image going occupying the whole screen size, it will be limited to the center area width. So here's our portfolio entry. And there's also finally the option to use a custom layout, which is just basically all the post content and all the options here under will be ignored, and the post will show the content that you create here using Visual Composer. So you have total freedom to create any portfolio entry. So let's go back to the boxed layout in this case, and let's see what other options we have here. Okay, so an option popped up here which has to do with how the information is shown for this particular layout, but let's keep it like this, like it is. And all portfolio posts, blog posts, and team members have the option to have a featured color. So I'm going to use blue for this specific post, which is kind of the active color that will be used. We can also set up a specific portfolio parent page if we want. The theme will auto-detect a portfolio entry that has the same skill, but if you want to force this link here to go to a specific page, you can also make that change here. You have the option to don't use this image that you set up here on the single post. If you want to do that, you just need to select this option here. You can also, if you have multiple images, you can turn the slider off and show images stacked vertically. And then we have here some fields that will display some information on the portfolio or near the portfolio entry. So I'm just going to fill something here so that you can see. Here it's supposed to be a link. And you can translate all these texts, the text that will be displayed on this section. You can translate them under Theme Options, Translations tab. So let me show you what texts I'm talking about, or what strings I am talking about. Let's refresh the page. And so we have here now my client and my link, and the text that I was telling you that you can translate, actually they are not shown on this on this type of layout. They are shown here, so sorry for my confusion. Let me show you once again what strings I was talking about that you can translate under stamp options, translation tab. The strings that I was referring are this here: skills, client, and project URL. You can translate them there. So we were here, and you can also select this option if you want to, when you are viewing a parent portfolio page and you want to click on the thumbnail and go to this link here, to the project link that you set up, you can also select that option here. So instead of the theme opening the portfolio single page, it will open this page. And after all this, you have here 20 slots to put images or videos, or audio if you want to. If you want audio, you can select here the option video, which actually should be saying media, so I'm going to change this anyway on the next update. But you need to select it here and put your iframe code here. You have some samples on the theme documentation, so if you have any questions about it, just look onto it. I think that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.